so we had a question that we saw that came up about oil leaks. And so I've got our master mechanic here at Airkooled Kustoms, Shannon. Shannon, what are some common areas that we see oil leaks in, and what could be causing it?
Well, good question. And I have a motor already sitting out for one of our customers' cars that I can show you a couple spots on.
Great.
These are common little issues that we have. One is push rod tubes. They will leak from the ends of them. We also have common leaks are the valve covers. Okay. Then behind the flywheel and clutch here is the crankshaft. It has a seal, remain seal. That is a common leak. But then also there, as you can see right here, the cases are split cases. So sometimes the cases do start leaking. So that would entail tearing the whole engine down. But that is most of our common points of oil leakage on a Volkswagen motor.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yes, ma'am.